We'll guide you through how to factory reset your laptop without your password. If you find this useful and you're successful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you found yourself in the situation of where you've gone and forgotten your password, and of course you then can't go and use your laptop. So what we're going to guide you through is how you can go and do a factory reset. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Now just remember, because you can't go and log in, you aren't going to be able to go and back up your files. Unless you're going to have them synced or backed up somewhere, these are going to go and be lost. So consider that. Of course, if you can still go and access your files, then you should go and back them up before doing this, because otherwise they're going to go and be lost. So we're going to guide you through the next step. So what you need to do is come to the login page as we are. Now you want to come onto the keyboard and you want to go and find the left shift. We're going to be using that in a moment, but it's over to the left here, just above control. You want to go and find the power button in the bottom right. Click there and you've got sleep, shut down and restart. Now what you need to do is go and click restart while holding down the left shift key. So we're going to do that now and then click on restart. Confirm the decision. Then it will go and say, please wait. Go and wait now. Shortly it's going to go and restart as it usually would. But you're going to notice it's going to go and start in a certain mode. So just go and be patient while it goes and waits. You can see it's now gone black. Shortly, you're going to go and see the boot screen. This is a Lenovo laptop, but that doesn't matter. It says, please wait though. Yours may say something similar or it may not. But it should go and boot into the blue mode. Basically where the background's blue. You can see it sort of flash there. Just keep waiting. And here we are. Now, what we need to do is we can go and choose an option. So you want to come down and find the option for troubleshoot. Click there. As you can see in troubleshoot, we then have the option for reset this PC. This lets you choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstalls Windows. So this is what we need to do. So we can click there. We're going to go and be removing everything. So you can go and click there. Go and wait. Now it's giving us the option on how we want to go and reinstall Windows. Now it's important to note that you may go and have something called BitLocker set up on your computer. So if you do, you'll go and see it and you need to go and enter in a BitLocker code, and it's going to guide you through how you can find the code, but it's going to go and give you a web address, and on another device, you can head to that web address, type it in on a web browser. You need to go and log into your Microsoft account and you'll be able to go and find this code. And with this code, you then need to go and enter it into the laptop, and it just shows that it's you trying to go and reset it. Essentially, it goes and protects your files or your laptop from being reset. Now, what we can do is we can go and choose who wants to go and reinstall Windows. The cloud download does take longer as it's got to download and reinstall Windows, but of course you can get the latest version, but I'm just going to do a local reinstall. So I'm going to click there. Now it's just going and getting things ready. So just go and keep waiting. Shouldn't go and be much longer now. And we're just going to go and confirm what's going to happen. So here it's saying, do you want to keep this PC set up for your workplace? I won't, I'll press no. Then what we can do is we can go and decide if we just want to go and remove files, or you can fully go and clean the drives. If you're looking to go and recycle the PC, you can do that. For this situation, we should be okay just to go and remove the files. Now go and wait, and shortly it will go and bring you to this screen here where it says reset this PC. It says, are you ready to reset this device? This can't be undone. Make sure your device is plugged in. This may take a while. Resetting will remove all personal files and accounts on this device, remove any changes made to settings, remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, and reinstall Windows from this device. So I am going to go and plug this in just because it is going to take a bit of time. And then what you can do is go and click reset, and the process will then go and begin. And then when it goes and completes, you're going to be able to go and set it up again from scratch. So that's it. That is how you can go and do the reset.